In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 20 winning products to dropship on your Shopify store in 2020. Hi, Rolland Peter here from Power to Scale, where we help you with actionable strategies to build, grow, and scale your business. If you are new here, do subscribe to this channel. I know that finding a winning product or generating ideas for a product you want to sell at times can be challenging. The cost of not getting your product launched right will lead to wasting time and money testing product that will not work. In order to stock the odds in your favor, I'll show you exactly the top 20 winning product to dropship on your Shopify store. So let's jump into it. The first product is a print-on-demand T-shirt that's in a niche, meaning it's niche specific to mom, best cat mom. If you can come up with a design for T-shirt or coffee mug which is in a niche, you have a potential license to print money. This ad has 2.7k comments, 545 shares, and 3.2k reactions. So, and the ad was seen on Facebook a week ago. So you have to model after what is working. It means that the cat niche is responsive to print-on-demand products. Here is a tank top, which is essentially a push-up bra, cami top, and a shapewear, all rolled into one, a compression shapewear. We all know that shapewears are a huge deal for ladies and will always be in high demand. This ad has 4.6k engagement and 1.1k comment. Then if we click through to look at the newest comment as at the time of recording this video was 10 hours ago. This product is a footrest that can help put your foot up on a flight. When you're on a long flight, you will hang it and put your foot up. It provides comfort on an airplane, so you will notice that this product actually solves a problem. This ad has 5.1k engagement, 1.8k comment, and the last comment, or the most recent, the newest was 6 hours ago. So even if you do not sell this same exact product, you can find a product that you can sell to frequent flyers. These are removable veneers that will conceal brown teeth or missing or chipped teeth, help to boost confidence and smile. It's a good product to sell. And you will see that this ad has 2.7k engagement and 1.6k comments on Facebook. And when we look at the newest comment, it was 4 days ago, and this product was launched on February the 2nd. This product is a mesh get designed to prevent pets from running around and also to protect babies. So you can easily target new moms with this product on Facebook. This ad have 2.3k engagement, 1k comment on Facebook. So it's a good product. Even if you're not selling this exact product, you can look for product that helps to protect pets and babies, and that is targeted towards new moms. Here is an eyeliner that is magnetic. We all know that the beauty niche is hot. This ad have 4.8k engagement and 2.5k comments, with lady posting their pictures in the comment, which is a very good sign and is very good. So you can come up with a product angle targeted towards ladies and in the beauty niche. This product is a lumbar back belt. Don't make any health claims when you are selling a product like this, but it relieves back pain and solves a a back pain problem. So you can find a product that does the same thing. The ad on Facebook has 1K engagement, 312 shares, and this ad was launched on February 1st, and this video is being recorded on Valentine's Day. Here's a cartridge trunk house for cats, a unique cat product which we sell in 2020. The ad has a ton of engagement, 9K engagement, 6K comments, so you can come up with product for cat lovers and you're good to go as long as the product is unique. As long as there are humans, they will always buy shoes, and a drawer type shoe box will always be in demand. They have 34K engagement, 27K comments on Facebook, and the last comment as at the time of recording this video was 1 hour ago. So this is a good product to sell. These bedsheet chipset saves time and effort when making bed. They have 8.4K engagement and 8.6K comments on Facebook, which is a very good engagement for a product like this. So you can click to see the newest comment, which was an hour ago from the time of recording this video. This next product is a magnetic false lashes and eyeliner. You can easily private label this product or dropship the product from AliExpress. The beauty niche is a huge market. The ad has 5.8 thousand engagement and 6,000 plus comments. So you can see that this product has massive engagement and really resonate with the target audience. The dog niche is huge. Here is a dog toy that sticks to the floor that will keep the dog busy for hours, and the ad has 1.3 thousand engagement and 2,000 comments. And the most recent comment was about 5 days ago. So it's a good product. Here is a head restraint to help a child's head stay secure while sleeping in a car to prevent neck strain and injuries. From this ad, we can see that this ad has generated about 3.3 thousand engagement and 7.1 thousand plus comments. And the most recent comment was 2 days ago from the time of recording this video. Here's a fitness wrist ball to post strength. We know that the fitness market is an evergreen market. This will definitely give you an idea of the kind of product to sell. This ad has 6,000 engagement and 4,000 plus comment. Anti-snore sleeping aid. This market is huge and growing. The ad has 2,000 plus engagement and 2.8K comments. And the newest comment was 47 minutes ago. So this is a product you can easily drop ship or private label and begin to sell on your shop. This next product is a fruit pacifier, simple, unique product targeted towards new moms with a lot of engagement on Facebook. And if we click through, the newest comment was about a week ago. So this is a product that you can easily sell on your shop. Car scratch removers are huge. There's always going to be a demand for products like these to remove scratch from a car. The ad has 4.3K engagement and 2,000 comments. So the market is huge, large enough to serve. Here is a 6-in-1 multifunctional opener with 70K engagement, 70K plus engagement, and 1.6 thousand comments. So this next product is in the kitchen niche that is used in making pancakes, also great for making omelette. The ad has 5,000 plus engagement and 1.6 thousand plus comments. If this was helpful, go ahead to use it and share it with someone that might be in the process of creating their own e-commerce business. I'll be shooting more videos along these lines. Make sure you subscribe again to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.